Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a detailed tutorial on how you can set up and install this application of Microsoft Rewards. This is the mod version of the main application which gives you unlimited reward points for absolutely free. That means absolutely $0. So as you can see, this is the mod version of the main application of Microsoft Rewards. When I click on the application, as you can see, this is my profile. I'm at level 1 and I have literally 0 points. But when I click on this plus button, I get 5000 points instantly in my account. Whenever I click on this plus button, I get every time I get 5000 points. You can see my account is updated to 10,000 points instantly. I can go up to 15,000 points. I can go up to 20,000 points, 25,000 points, and I can go up to 30,000 points instantly in just few clicks. Guys, I'm going to show you how you can set up and install this application and you can get 5000 points in just one click. And I'm going to show you a detailed tutorial video on how you can set it up in your iOS devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this tutorial video. So as you can see, this is the mod and the cracked version of Microsoft Rewards where I'll get unlimited reward points for absolutely free, absolutely $0. Let's see how it works. So this is my profile. Here you can see I'm at level 1 and everything is at 0. My reward points are also 0, but here you will get a plus button using which you can get 5000 points per click. Let's see if it works or not. So you can see in just one click I got 5000 points instantly. When I click on it again, I'll get 10,000 points. When I click on it again, I'll get 15,000, 20,000 points, 25,000 points, 30,000 points. That means I can get unlimited reward points for absolutely free using this plus button and using this mod version of the application. So let's see how you can install this mod version of Microsoft Rewards and set it up in your iOS devices. All you have to do is go to settings and then scroll all the way down. You have to go to the battery section. Click on the battery section and then make sure that the low power mode is off, because if the low power mode is on, your app won't function properly. So make sure that the low power mode is off, otherwise you won't be able to install the mod application. Now you have to go all the way in the general section and then click on this feature, which is background app refresh. Click on that and make sure that this feature is on. Make sure that it is on in Wi-Fi or cellular data mode. Your mod application requires background app refresh, so make sure it is on. Then the app will function properly and exact the same way as you want. And now if you are done with this, you have to go all the way back and click on this about section and then just click on iOS version and make sure that your iOS device should be updated. If it is not, you can update your iOS device and then your app will function properly. Also make sure that your iOS is above 17 version and your iOS device must be iPhone 11 and above. After all these settings, you are all set to download the mod application. So to install this mod version of the application of Microsoft Rewards, all you have to do is just go onto this website of ulugpt.com. Using this website, you can install the mod version of any application and set it up in your iOS devices. And you will get detailed steps on how you can install the mod version of the application. So this website ulugpt.com is very useful for you. So guys, as you can see, this is the website of ulugpt.com. All you have to do is just enter the app name over here. So I'll search for one of the particular apps, that's Microsoft Rewards. And let's see if it generates the prompt or not. If it gives us the detailed steps to download the mod application. Yes, here it is. You can see this website gives me the detailed steps on how I can install the Microsoft Rewards mod application. So go on to this website and check out these steps in detail.